is it so hard to let you go?
Hey family, what's up everybody? This is Kruti and you're watching Kru Vlogs with me. So guys, you must be thinking why I have started my vlog in auto. So it's nothing special, but yeah, I have already started my vlogs on railway station, on roads. So today I thought let's begin in auto itself. So I'm on a way to my favorite place which has my heart over there, that is Cat Cafe Studio in Versova. As you guys already know, or if you don't know, you're watching for the first time my vlog, so let me just tell you that I am the biggest animal lover because I love them. Like, I don't know what the word I can say and which can fulfill my feelings, but yeah, I just love them. So today I'm going to visit Cat Cafe Studio. The place is really very beautiful. You'll get a peace over there and you can cuddle with the cat, which I love the most. So I'll do that and I'll give you all the details about it.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go.
So guys, we need to remove our shoes. Here there is a shoe rack. As you saw, I have removed my shoes at the shoe racks given over here, and then we need to sanitize our hands. So let's do it. I'm done with sanitizing my hands. We need to do this because if we carry a small baby also, we need to sanitize our hands. So just like that, these cats are also like our babies, man. So you need to sanitize our hands over here. And please, here the guidelines are already given, but you can just see that you need to sanitize your hands. You do not disturb the sleeping cats. You do not touch while they're eating as well. So please don't do all that stuff. So let's order something and then go inside. Veg farmhouse में कितने inches होगा and how many pieces would be there?
Okay, the farmhouse is veg 18 and 2 pieces there.
4 pieces, 4 slices. Veg margarita and 1 chocolate milkshake. We are having here 2 sections. One is the outer and one the inner place. So the outer place is just to sit and have food and you can read your books or do your work, anything over there. And inside if you want to come, so that is a cat zone where all the cats are there and you can play with them, cuddle with them and everything. But one more thing, if you're sitting outside you can sit without food also, but if you want to come into cat zone you need to order something and they'll give you the table number as well. So over here I have table number 15. Actually it was not 15 before, it was table number 2, but then they told me when I was shooting outside and when I came inside, so the guide over here, she just helped me out with that the shooting and everything is not allowed inside, and she thought that I'm making some short film, so she said that cameras are not allowed. I got disappointed, but I have visited this place before as well, so that time I took the photos and videos and everything. So I just told her that I have already did that and this is without flash, so if I can please. So she was like, let me ask my manager. So she had asked her event manager, and then I explained her that why I am making this video. I just told that I am personally in love with this place and I just wanted to show the people who are following me or the people who are loving, so I just wanted to show this on my vlog, this place and this beautiful, like it's very beautiful. So I just wanted to show you guys this. So I have just requested her that please, if you can help me out, I will not disturb any people over here or nobody else. I'll just shoot my place and everything. So then she asked the manager. Somehow they got convinced and then they have given me this corner table number 15, which is inside in the corner. So no one has been disturbed by me. If you can see, all the cats are sleeping.
Is it so
Here in this wardrobe there are all the toys which they play with. So now I'm out of this cafe. It is really a beautiful place to visit, guys, and especially if you're an animal lover like me, then please do visit this place. It is really beautiful. You know, you'll get a peace, you can cuddle with the cats and everything like such. So I asked the story that how this was started and all. So basically there is one association and there was one person who started these things around. So what they actually do, you know, every cat has a different kind of rescue story. You know, some are handicapped, some are blind, some has some different stories and everything like such. So they have got all the handicapped people, cats and everything over here, and they take care of them because that cats cannot stay out. So they help that kind of cats. It has to be adopted, but you cannot buy it, as I said before. And yes, this is nothing like, you know, you got some cat on a road and you just give it, because it would be some kind of responsibility you are just handing over to others. So that is not the criteria of this cafeteria. And in fact in this cafeteria also there is no treatment, but there is one associated. They treat them and then they has been kept over here, I mean. So this is basically the story of Cafe Studio. It is really beautiful to cuddle with cats and everything, as you must see in my video as well. So let's go ahead. See the rush. It is Jalsa, Amitabh Bachchan's bungalow. So as most of the people knows that he comes on Sunday and waves and then go. So you can see the crowd standing here for him, waiting for him. After Cat Cafe, I have came here so that I can see the sunset, you know. Are you serious?
90 पे लाइट बताएगा, गलती बताएगा।
जो हो चुका है वो बताएगा या जो होने वाला है?
वो भी बताएंगे कि एक्चुअली लाइट में क्या हुआ है, आपने क्या सोच रहे हो, क्या करने वाला है। 90 पे परफेक्ट बताएगा।
Do you think I should try this?
अभी आएगा।
I don't want to say anything about this. I don't want to be judgmental. But yeah, you can try. It's kind of funny as well. Guys, it's time to see sunset. So let's enjoy this moment.
Is it so hard to let you go?
So after seeing the sunset, I am here on Chapati on the food court what they have. So I am thinking what should I have and what should I not, because there are many things over here. So filhal I am thinking to have some cold drink, faluda or something like that. But you can just see all this. So finally I have ordered my Malai Kulfi Faluda. Okay. The stuffing is all of Faluda with ice cream and there is rabdi on top of it. So I quite loved it. It's kind of not so sweet, normal. So here I am done with the food and my day. So like Sunday I am done with it. I have to go home, and for especially actually my battery is down, so I cannot vlog anymore and I have to end my vlog here itself. So I am completing this. I had a fun. The Cat Cafe studio was wow. And yes, I'll put the address in my description box, so you can see the address, and if you want to visit that place, you can go there and visit it. And yes, please do let me know in the comment section if you know any such places or any pet houses as this. So please let me know, so I'll try to visit, you know, because I personally am an animal lover, so I want to explore more places like this. So I'll explore that, and I'll try to make vlogs on it as well. So guys, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So Tara, keep smiling, spread love, make people happy, and sign out.